applied the LightGBM model as our model, and it came out to be 14.8% as our W map. And this stage is for data loading, where I import every necessary library for the work, and for exploration of the first 5 rows of the data. We got this, and after which we do data cleaning for filling out the missing value using the feature engineering. So calendar features, cyclical features, event features, weather feature, and price feature were engineered through this process. And this is the code for the data sorting and preparing data. As we create a unique time series with this code, since it's a time-based forecasting. And here is all of the key features being created that explained above that are engineered. For us to validate the model, apply the training data from January 2021 to June 2025 for the training, and the validation period is between July 2025 to September 2025 for the initial training. And this is the output of the validation state. We have 69,000 rows and 62 columns. The evaluation metrics used is weighted mean absolute percentage error, and this is the code for that. And for the sanity check, to ensure that the training data are intact and there is no missing value, this code was used for that. And this for the output of the engineered features, to see that nothing is missing and no missing value in the engineered features. And after using the baseline evaluation model, we get 25.6%. And this is where the model now comes in, LightGBM model. It came out to be 14.84%. So leading to a 50%, almost 50% reduction in the value we got for the baseline, the MW map for the baseline model. And for recursive engineering, for us to generate forecasts for October to December 2015, we embrace recursive forecasting. This is the code used for forecasting. For us to get better and reusable function, we review the feature using this code. And for validation, we check some of the outputs we got before to ensure that they are intact. And this is for checking feature completeness, and this for checking feature list, that they are okay before we do this is the encoding of the categorical variable was done here, and this is the loop for recursive forecasting for the proper forecasting. And lastly is the outputting of the submission file in CFA. This is the predicted file, and we output it here. This is where we output it. This is where we output it as CSV.